Las Cruces. Driving through Las Cruces here. Figured I'd give everybody a little look going through, well, pretty much through downtown Las Cruces. Pretty much. I think we are going downtown. I'm not real sure. We're cutting through. I know that. Cutting through the middle of it. Getting off the interstate on this US 70. Yeah, Main Street. Main Street. So we are going through downtown. How about it? Take a look around. Got a hummingbird over in that tree on the right hand side. I don't know if you can pick him up or not, but he's over there there he is. 2 of them. Oh man, check them out. 2 of them, yeah. Maybe he was able to see them through all the dirtiness on the windshield. I don't know. If you can, that was cool. If not, well, better luck next time. Now, I do got you in a different position. Got you a little bit closer to me. And the reason why that I've put you right here at my shoulder, well, I know we don't have a lot of road noise right now, so as far as the sound goes, you're going to be able to hear me a little bit better from right here. But a lot of people's complaining that your ears just don't pick me up well enough. Not complaining, they're letting me know. So if I get you over here closer to my mouth, maybe everybody can hear you a little bit better. Hear me a little bit better. Maybe. Cool little town of Cruces. Man, she's just texting away on her phone. I don't know if you could. My big head might have been in the way for you to see that. Maybe. The inner windows is probably too dark. Yeah, quite possibly. It's amazing at how many people text us and drive, though. It's amazing. Cops do it because it's part of their job. If they're not texting on their phone, they're typing on their computer, their little laptop, desktop, whatever you want to call it, dashboard mount. They're trained, though, right? Trained professionals. And just get a look around, you know, left, right, however you want to do it. It's all fine and good. Zoom in at what you want to zoom in on. I know most of the time I say I'm not going to tell you in any particular direction. Oh, check out on the right. I know I do that a lot, but maybe I'll just let you look at it how you want to this time. Maybe. Jogging with the stroller. Do this, I put them up here high so that everybody knows when they're watching the video that I'm not sitting here doing this with you. I'm not sitting here directing you around. Otherwise, normally, I just ride with my hands like this, normally. And I know you can still see them like that, but I want them up high on the wheel. That way everybody's good and clear, that I'm not sitting here trying to do this with you. Why are you looking at me like that for? What twisted you around? I don't know about all that. You don't twist over there. I need some ape hangers on the e-bike. That way I can put the camera right on my chest and my arms will be like up out of the way. Ape hangers on an e-bike. How about that? This is all just, you know, regular old city look. When we get actually down here, we're going to make a right-hand turn and just short of a mile, then we get into the older, I guess, historic part, maybe. I guess what the words I'm looking for. I don't know. Yeah, give the older, more historical look. And when we get to that part, I know I'll be like, look, stick man, over to the right. Look, stick man, over to... Or, actually, I'll be doing, look, stick man, over to the right. Your other right. I'll keep you confused. Don't worry. Don't worry. And we do have a bike lane running down through here. I think all towns should have sidewalks, bike lanes, no matter how big or small they are. We run through Memphis, Texas the other day on our bike. And I know you've been there because we took you there. So, man, that was rough. That was some rough riding right there on the brick. I did not think that riding on the bricks would be that rough, but it was pretty rough. Uncomfortable? Not really. For the camera, maybe a little bit. For the live stream anyway. For you, it wasn't that bad. For you, it was... I went back and looked, and it was actually pretty good. But all I've done was put a clip in it into the video. I didn't put like the video up. Right lane closed, so let's get on over here. What do we got over here? What is that building? Donana County District Court. So we got a courthouse on the left-hand side. We had a Harbor Freight on the right-hand side. Check that house out on the right-hand side. I like how these houses are made like this. That's one thing that I do like about out here in the desert areas is the architecture of the house. Architectural design. Maybe I said that right. Got another huge house. That's a huge house. See that house? Just keep looking to your right as we go through here. You know, look to your left. I like this one on the left as well. That's a pretty neat little design, the center of it. Man, they about squeezed us right here with the cones. Look at that. We got it though. We did it. And there's a big old red chili up here. Get you a look out exactly how far it is up though. A little ways up. Chili Mobile. It ain't, it ought to be. Got a little taco stand. A don't know how you say the name of that. Elazan. Check out that mural over there on the right hand side. Victory. That's pretty dang cool. Then we got Nessie's Cafe on the left. What color is that? Is that pink? Pepto-Bismol pink? Maybe? Now okay, now look to the left. Look to the left right here at these set of buildings, all the murals on them. Check that out. I love going through towns where the buildings are painted up like that. When they're painted up real nice, and not when it's just somebody comes in and spray paints. Just doesn't know what they're doing. You know, just spray paints ridiculousness, but like that back there, I like that. Cheyenne has quite a bit of that too, Cheyenne, Wyoming. And I forgot, you know, we was there and I didn't get you out. I should have, wished I had, but I didn't. Caught them murals in Cheyenne. Can you see that old red carpet on the right hand side? I don't know if you can zoom in on that or not. It looks nice. Maybe you might be able to get it over there. That mirror's going to block it. Yeah. Maybe you got it from the first time. I'm crossing Valley Drive right now. This is Valley Drive. We need to do an e-bike ride through this place one day. Need to. But man, I tell you what, right now it's 94 degrees and it's 10 o'clock in the morning. 94 degrees. But, I mean, still, this would be a good little town to do a e-bike ride through. Or a nice, bigger size town. Cruces is pretty big. Imperial Sky Motel. Got all kinds of zombies here in Las Cruces. And there it is, the Big Chili Inn. Check that out, stick man. Get a good view of that as we're going by. You know, if I owned that motel, that would be a room. Come and stay at the Big Chili Inn and rent your chili room for the low price of $599. But according to their sign there, 40% off daily or weekly stays. So apparently they encourage the weekly stays or the extended stays. Let's just say it like that. All right, check that big old chili out right there. It's not a room, but it ought to be. Stay in the Big Chili at the Big Chili Inn. Royal Restaurant, Pancake Alley. Oh man, what's that baby good? Peddler's Pavilion. Maybe some kind of flea market. Maybe. I don't know. People out here walking around like it's comfortable, which I guess right now it is comfortable at 94 degrees, I guess. I know when I got up earlier it was 85 degrees and it felt wonderful out there. Back home, 85 degrees don't feel wonderful, not generally. 85 degrees is like pretty smoldering. But it was actually lovely. Alright, now we're getting ready to cross the Motel Drive, which if you make a left right here, takes you to the TA and the Pilot. I actually probably should have turned up there. That's probably what I needed to turn at. I don't know. Oh yeah, we're getting you a in-town look. So if we're done that, then bam. Got some kind of school down there. I'm gonna assume that's a high school by the way it looks. It's got a scorpion on the side of it. Las Cruces Scorpions. Got an ice box over here on the left-hand side. Citizens Bank. 57 miles from Deming. Check Valley Pizza out, man. That looks nice. Is that fake grass? Is that turf? I believe it is turf. Alright, Stickman, I do appreciate you catching up with you on Las Cruces here. Don't forget to get that narrow on the right-hand side. And we'll see you somewhere down the road. Thanks, sir. Oh, wait a minute. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you hadn't subscribed, don't forget to punch that subscription button in the face. Slap that notification bell in the jaw. That way you know when we're here, live, uploading, doing shorts every single day. Y'all have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.